So I've been into matcha for a couple of years now, but I'd say I got really into it last year. Making a matcha latte became a daily ritual for me. Every day at 4 o'clock, I would take my time making myself a matcha latte and I'd sit down to watch an episode of Friends. And I would say this probably kept me sane. Just this very simple 5-minute routine to make my matcha latte during the lockdown and while I was writing my thesis as well. And it was something that I really looked forward to. Matcha is a form of green tea and it's really high in antioxidants. It's really good for your skin and for your general health. And there are some studies that show that it improves your metabolism as well. So I'm just going to show you it's just going to be a really quick video where I just show you how I make my matcha latte the way I like it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.